What's up, guys? Here we are at Magic Kingdom, 2 days after the hurricane. Let me tell you something. People did not get scared of that. There's a lot of people here. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and see what we can get into today. Thanks for joining us. Good?
Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Really help out our channel. Thanks. So we're looking out already, getting on the speedway. Only 5-minute wait, so it should be, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. As the Halloween party's tonight, so it looks like we're gonna have some short lines, hopefully.
It's Africa hot today.
That's it.
So humid.
We don't normally go on the speedway this time of year because it's pretty hot, but figure it's early enough, so hopefully we don't get stuck on there at the end. All right, so we are making our way over to Buzz Lightyear. We're gonna give ourselves a little challenge this morning, seeing how many rides we can get on. So today, the Halloween party is tonight, so it's not as crowded as it normally would be. And we only had a 5-minute wait for Speedway, and see walking our way over to Buzz. So pretty nice and not super crowded. Looking up 15-minute wait. Just saw the Buzz sign, so that's not bad. So.
Buzz Lightyear, over and out.
Hi, it's trying to see you.
Space Rangers. Check your status board to review your score. Remember, you're in 3 times.
Yeah. How much?
91,900.
Oh my goodness. I got 64,000. Where is it?
Hi everybody, it's Aladdin. My friend Genie is a real safety nut, and he wanted me to remind you to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened nice and tight throughout the flight.
Buddy.
And hey everybody, make sure you keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your kids. Or as Genie likes to say,
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga sus manos.
Ollie's first time on Aladdin's carpet.
Cuide a sus pequeñinos.
now if you're rolling over the row of magic bushes and you want to make your magic carpet fly higher or lower, riders in the front row should push up or pull down on the lever. You can make the carpet tip forward or back. Riders in the back row should press that magic scale. And
Can't really see him.
we're all set to ride.
Nice little breeze. Did you make it go down?
I did.
Oh.
You can tilt this way.
It's not, doesn't seem to be working.
Look at his head.
That's what I wanted to see. Good boy, Ollie.
It's time to fly home. Please stay seated until your magic carpet comes to a complete stop, then walk to the nearest exit. Come ride with us again.
All right, hey guys, just got off Pirates. We are so lucking out today. Definitely a good pointer for you is if you want very short wait times, you want to head to Magic Kingdom the day of the Halloween party, because we are getting on everything 5-10 minute waits this morning. So we're We literally walked on Aladdin's carpets, which Ollie loved, kind of like Dumbo, which is another one of his favorites. And we were going to do the Jungle Cruise, but that is apparently closed for refurbishment for the month. So we will be skipping that till it reopens. And yeah, so now we're going to go and get something to eat. So we'll catch up with you shortly. So we are going to try the Tropical Serenade float. It's pineapple, orange, and guava juice with coconut soft serve and an upside down pineapple pop. $7.99. We're going to try it. We were going to try that Happy Halloween, but both John and I don't like mango, so didn't think it would taste very good. But for people that like mango, it looks pretty cool.
All right, I had to eat some of this because it was melting all over me, all over my hands. Oliver's a hot boy today. Here's Mama.
We're gonna see how this tastes.
If you like pineapple, it's awesome.
Spoon free. All right, not the hugest fan of coconut, but we're gonna try this coconut ice cream here.
The ice cream is good. It's really good. It's very
Doesn't taste like coconut at all, actually.
good. No. The strain taste. Super refreshing though. Right?
Yeah.
Very refreshing.
This is super good.
I'm gonna check it out.
Trying to get some.
I don't know what the orange is. What is it?
I bet orange is. Let's see. Hold on. Just all right. So it's pineapple, orange, and guava juice with coconut soft serve and an upside down pineapple pop.
All right. Well, pineapple pop.
How's the drink?
Okay, the drink is really good. Very good. So for those of you who don't know, after a hurricane down here, it gets ridiculously hot for some reason. And it is so hot out. This is nice and refreshing. You gonna try that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'll try a bite and save you some.
You don't have to say anything.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. What do you think? What's in it? It's just a cake pop?
Coconut is definitely in it, and drippings. I don't know if I like this.
So you don't like it? The cake pop portion.
You try.
I don't really like coconut shavings.
That's what a lot of it is. Coconut
Yeah.
shavings.
Not the hugest fan. All right, so far this is amazing without the cake pop. But if you like that sort of thing, what do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
It's pretty good.
Definitely refreshing.
Oliver, taking a break. We just went on Pirates. It's nice and cool in there for him. So we got this from that place right over there. Aloha Isle Refreshments. They got a bunch of things over there. You want to check them out?
Yeah, it's a nice little area back here,
Yeah.
actually. We were lucky to get a seat, too, actually, in the shade, which in Magic Kingdom is not easy to do.
Definitely not.
This drink is the bomb.
It is pretty good.
Definitely could have, like, as a...
So it's $7.99, and you guys want to try something different? Right over there. Get yourself one. I give it a 9.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right,
Definitely a good one.
head over there and get yourself one.
So we are making our way over to Haunted Mansion. We are just very luckily getting on so many rides today. So it's pretty hot out, like John was saying a little bit ago. After a hurricane, it gets scorchingly hot here. so humid, especially. So it's pretty hot out. Taking some nice little air conditioning breaks for Mr. Ollie. You can see the streets are pretty bare, so we are really enjoying this today. Right? It's nice not having to fight a crowd here today, isn't it?
Oh my God. This is such a treat. Usually not like this.
Definitely Magic Kingdom.
At Magic Kingdom, for whatever reason, whenever we come, so does 8 billion other people.
Exactly.
Seems to be the case lately. Whatever park we go to, that's where everybody else is. But this is such a nice treat, and it probably has to do with the Halloween party.
That's what I'm thinking. We going on this ride for you, buddy. He's sniffing.
On a holiday road, the east wind traded places with the west wind.
If you ask me, you'll never reach that tree.
He's looking around.
Yes, you'll never reach
Our pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea green boat and blue sky. Oh, yes. Come and bounce with me. Bouncing is the gift rate. Follow me. Right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride. But I found the mortals. They steal honey. Stolen honey. I almost bounced right out of the ride.
He's so funny.
See them multiply.
I kind of forgot this ride.
A very big waterfall.
Rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Was that fun, Ollie? Just wanted to show you this empty getting ready for a parade, and look, the streets aren't even full, so this is a great day to come.
I think just in about, 5 or 6 weeks will be Christmas.
I know, I can't wait.
That's incredible to think about. Seems like just yesterday was Christmas.
Sure does. I do have to say, I do love the Halloween wreaths they have up, and the fall decor looks nice. But Christmas is definitely so much better. Nothing like snow on Main Street.
Smells Halloween-y over here too.
It does. What does it smell like? Pumpkin or nutmeg or
Nutmeg, I think it is, yeah.
something? It smells delish.
You guys are in the yacht club area. We ate at Ale and Compass for breakfast yesterday. And they have what we believe is a seasonal meal. I hope it's not, but I think it is. It's an apple caramel cinnamon French toast.
And what would you rank that?
It was a 10 out of 10.
He loved every bite of it. He's actually had
So
2 plates
good.
of it.
So good.
Hey guys, thanks for spending the day with us in Magic Kingdom. It was a great day. We got on tons of rides here. Definitely, sun is really in my eyes.
It's pretty hot, pretty sunny. As you can see behind us, nobody here at Magic Kingdom.
It was a great day to come with
Amazing day.
what is it?
Halloween tonight.
Yeah, Halloween parties tonight. Definitely want to come to the park in the morning of that, get on lots of rides, and have a great day. So thanks for tuning in. We'll check with you next time.
See ya.